Meet SaveSnippet, your smarter way to save text.
Instantly, just highlight the text, click on Save Snippet. Another option, you can highlight the text, right click on text menu. You will have two options, either you can save it in the last document or you can create a new document. Under extension settings, you can customize Save Snippet according to your use case.
Your snippets stay organized under extension library. From here, you can search the document, you can update the name of the document,
You can copy individual snippet in different formats. You can also copy all of the snippets under a selected document in different format. With just one click, you can export the entire document into a Word format. You can also create new document. You can delete individual snippets or documents according to your need. Want to have quick access to your snippets? Just click on the extension, open sidebar panel. Whenever you save the snippet, you will have quick view of those snippets side by side. From there, you can in different formats, or you can export the entire document into a Word format with just one click. You would definitely want to have shortcuts. Just highlight the text, press Alt S. You can see it is saved. Under quick actions, you can view all of the available shortcuts. SaveSnippet is completely free. Add it to your Chrome today to save your valuable time. Pro plan with advanced features is coming soon, so join the waitlist now. Thank you.